How to combine first and last names in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Select the cell where you want to add or combine first and last name. Type in is equals to, then concatenate, and then start a bracket. Select the first name, comma, quotation mark, again quotation mark, comma, and select the last name and close the bracket. After you close the bracket, simply press enter and your first and last names will be combined in Excel. You can also drag it down to combine other cells first and last name. This is how to combine first and last names in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.